Yes, people, blessings, blessings. Yeah, budget at it, and we at it again. On a hill, man. So yes guys, please remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on notification, put it on all so you get notified every time we upload a video. We've picked up a new friend. What's your name? Denzo. Oh, hello Denzo. Nice to meet you, Denzo. Looks like a little island. Looks like a little island going on over there. That's nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. We like that. We like that. And the thing that this channel is gonna be famous for is coming up. Bridges. Oh my God, more bridges. Oh, here we go. There goes some wildlife. And again, birds. Bird. The bird them enough like enough, watch it. People do there feed them. there feed Yes, people. Christchurch Park with it. We still there at Christchurch Park. I be them sitting here. You see what I go on in there? How close we can get to them. Watch how close we can get to them. Watch it. Watch it. You see what we're there? See my foot there. How close we're there to them. I feel bad, so I'm gonna bring something come give them to eat now. Next time. Pigeon them. Of course, pigeon them want some of the food too. Pigeon them. So you see how close we are to them pigeon and I can't believe. Watch it, they can't see my foot. Watch it. Hello. Wagwan. Yo, big man. Wagwan. Bejin, you may attack. Hey. You're so disrespectful, Bejin. You want a reason? Wagwan. What's your name? Eh? Yo, what's your name? I don't have my finger. I'm going to put my finger over there again. Yes, people, Ipswich wildlife. The whole of them birds are duck, you know. Good look different type of bird, them are different type of ducks. But enough bird. And you can come feed them as well. Right here in a Christchurch Park. Yes, man. I think that's how we end the video, yeah. We still up on the search, we still up on the hunt to look for the tunnel them. We not find none yet, but we find a suspicious place where kind of look like them bury up a tunnel there. We have to go watch part 1 of the video. See that? But yeah, look on this, man, look how beautiful this is. Watch the nature now, man. Come on, man, we can't go no further than this. We have to stop and take it in a little bit. Yes, man. We have to stop and take it in. Look at that. I'm watch nature. You see how close me to them birds are, Virgin? Seriously, like me can touch one of them. Pigeon on my foot. That's not a pigeon. How close this thing that to me, Virgin? Yes, big man, big up. Come here. Hey, come here. Where you go? Come here. I don't have no food, but then I want a friend for me. Me sorry. Me never know somebody that come back up in now, you know. That's why I'm gonna bring no food for you, know. Next time I come check on them, I bring some food. Yo, Yo, Star. Come here. Come here. Virgin. Sistrin. What is... Come here. Come here. Oh, you look like a sistrin. Him answer look while I say sistrin. Sistrin. Yes, people. Ipswich. What in nature now? Place beautiful, people. Remember where they are Christchurch Park? Yes. And this area is a protected area for these birds. See duck them the way we used to. These are the ducks that went out one day. And the fox took them away. Yes, people, this scenery is so beautiful. I can stay here all day. But here we are going now, no? That's how we are going to end that one here, no? And go and look for the beautiful bird them. So people, as we say, blessings and blessings. Big up to all of the subscribers them. Big up to all of the people who want to subscribe to. Big up the people who like the video, who share the video. Yes, people. Respect, blessings and blessings. Nothing but love. Out.